Want to live in a great neighborhood but want your privacy when you sit on the covered back porch? This is it. A beautiful view of the woods is all you see when you relax on the back patio. Better than new, sellers installed privacy fence, blinds, and awesome shelving in the large laundry room. Granite countertops in kitchen and baths, tile in wet areas. Oversized master suite west/his/her closets. Formal dining room plus an island/bar to sit at in the kitchen. Also, it's a sidewalk community west/sidewalks on both sides of the road.